Hello friends, this is Raj Sasi from Raj Option Trading. Today I want to talk about selling put options. It's an income strategy. I know a lot of people who are making a living by selling put options. Seller of a put option will make money if the stock goes up or stays the same or decreases slightly as long as it stays above the strike price. That's why many people sell put options because probability of making money here is more. And you play with the house's money here. Broker will give you some money to play around because you're just selling the put option here. You could leverage your existing margin without borrowing the money if you play well. And your outlook is bullish here. Your risk is unlimited. As stock goes down below your strike price, you will start incurring the losses. Maximum profit is limited to premium received. That's why you don't make huge money here, but you can earn a living easily by selling put options. Key is not to become too aggressive and stay within a normal limit. Don't put on too much quantity. As try limited lots here and go from there. And it can be combined with other strategies like selling a vertical spread versus selling a naked put. You got to look at some guidelines here. Sell only when vol is high. When the IV percentile is high, that's when you have to sell, and make sure RSI is low at the time. Identify clear area of support, so that way you don't want stock to go below the support level, and you can sell the put option at the support level and sell at least 45 to 50 days to the expiration. Don't go higher because it's too much risk if you go more than 45 to 50 days. And passage of time is your friend here. Unless stock goes below your when the stock is above the strike price, the theta decay is your friend. So with that, this is a quick cheat sheet here. When you're selling put option, your stock is at a higher price, say 40 here. You are selling a put at 30 here. So that's why you are making sure stock at a very low probability of stock reaching 30 here. So that's why you're selling the put option at a lower price. So your loss zone is really when price falls below the strike price minus the money you collected, in this case $2. That makes it 28. That's your loss zone. Your loss is unlimited here, as all the way to zero here, and your profit is really capped. Profit is the premium you collected, which is $200 here. As long as stock stays above 40 here, you'll make your $200 that you collected, and you can keep it for yourself. And you don't need to wait till expiration. As you make profit, you can take off your profit and sell your put option. So with that, here are some candidates here. You could look at these stocks here. All of them got low RSI. Tells you stock will bounce because it's at a good entry point, and IV percentile is high. As you look here, PCRX, a high IV percentile, so that gives you more premium that you can earn. And we got stock like MELI, one of my favorite here. Even Bandwidth is a good one. Fate Therapeutics, all great stocks here. Stocks are at a lower RSI. Tells you stocks have pulled back here. And these are good growth stocks here. As you can see here, all of these satisfy rule of 40. That's why these are some great stocks to buy sell put option and make some income here. We will look at maybe one stock here, MercadoLibre, one of my favorite here. As you look through here, we could go to option chain here and go to MELI. So as you look through here, I will take you to quickly a screen here with the chart. So we got a MELI chart here, 1 year chart. As you look through 1 year chart, you could say, this is a good support level, around 1341, 1314. So that's why you have to identify a clear area of support. I would say 1300 could be a good level here, 1350. So now you go into the chart here and look at 45 days out or so. I think 46 is good enough, and you could go here and go around 1340 area or 1300 area that we talked about. See here, you collect a lot of premium here. You collect, I think a good amount of premium. So, you can be a conservative here. You don't need to be a hero. Go even below here. You could sell a put option at 1200 if you want. So if you do that, you collect $12 here. If the stock comes to 1200, you'll end up buying this stock at this price. This is one way to play, but I know many of you, you don't want to take that much risk here. Look here, broker is going to take $12,000 of your, uh, your existing margin out for this trade. So you could instead do a spread here. So 12, 10, 12 spread is a good one. You could just sell this spread here. It's a $10 wide spread. There you go. So as you sell this, it's a $10 wide spread. You're collecting 65 cents here. You could even, you're selling 1210, you're buying back 1200. You could even go, a little more aggressive here. Let's say you want to do 1230 and 1210. That's a good $20 wide spread here. So you could, instead of selling here 1210, you could sell 1230. So if you do that, you're basically, as you can see here, $30 wide spread. You're collecting $3.70. If I confirm and send, now your buying power effect is a little bit less, 2,630. It's a $30 wide spread, but your max profit is 370. If the stock stays about 1226, which is maybe a couple $100 below current price, you'll get to keep your money. I think this is a good proposition here. You could confirm and send this. Your break-even point is much lower than the current stock price. So that's one, and you could do similar things with other stocks, especially high price stocks. You could do a spread here and do it that way. Low price stocks like Fate as an example, you could sell some put option outright. Stocks like Fate is a wild trader, as you all know. If you could look at Fate here quickly, as you look through Fate here, apply same methodology here. Go to this chart here. Look at, in this case, I don't see a nice support level. I will go a little bit more time here. Go to time frame. Go to 2 years. As you look through the 2 years, I could even do weekly here, or maybe say 3 days, so we can look at the chart properly. I think maybe somewhere here, or even somewhere here could be a good one. Around 39 or so is a good level here. So right now stock is at 54. You could do maybe 40 could be also okay. So as you go through here, go to the option chain. You want to go 39 days out here. Don't want to go too far. And look here, 45. So it's $10 below the current price. You make some good $1.20 here. You could confirm and send, and you collect $21.20, which is $120 by selling this put option. If the stock comes to your price here 45, you could even buy the stock at that price and hold, because these stocks will go higher many times. I would do something along these lines. And sometimes when market falls big time, you could also sell put options on the indices like QQQ and so on and so forth and make some money. And you got here many of these stocks here. You could sell some put option on these. If the stock price is high like Zebra, do some sell some spread, so that way you don't overexpose yourself. And we got Pacira here. This is also a good one. Right now stock has fell off the cliff here. You could sell some put option given high IV percentile. And we got, I think that's pretty much here. These are the great stocks to sell put options. I made sure all this, there is a nice sales growth here. The stock is down right now, ready to bounce. RSI low, as you can see here. IV percentile is high. So with that, thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Please subscribe.